So guys, we just arrived in Maryland. We have few hours away to our destination. My son's reaction when he saw the snow for the first time. It's heavy, baby. Don't touch it. Oh my god. Don't throw it, it's heavy, right? Don't throw it, it's heavy. Don't throw it. Oh my god.
My hands are cold.
Come here. Come here. We are finally here in our hotel. We're trying to check in now. Thank God, I'm exhausted. I can't wait to relax in a nice bed for 2 days now. Alright, come out. This is what happened since when we finally came to the hotel. My son was tired. He's so excited. Oh god. So this is the entrance door, and here is the coffee machine. I don't know what this is. Okay, whatever that is. And the cup, which I need now. And
dude, oh my god.
Look at this.
I'll slide down this with this.
Alright, come outside, baby. Come.
I'll slide down with this. I'll slide down with this thing.
Wait, oh yeah, go to that. You guys should go. I will meet you guys.
So
here, lotions, clean bags. These are our towel. This is the mirror.
Mommy,
a bathroom.
Look, they have. Mommy, look.
It's very clean.
Mommy, look.
I like it.
Mommy, look. They have bags.
Yeah, that's coffee.
I want coffee.
So this is dressing mirror. This is our bags, our bed. We have chair. Look at this. This is my jacket. And look at this. Then tomorrow I will show you guys outside. So we'll look outside. It's very cool.
Mommy,
Beautiful.
the wolf.
So right now we've not eaten.
Mommy.
Since we started this journey yesterday, we have literally not eaten that well. Like, you all know how it is when you're traveling. You have to buy snack and all of that. So that's basically it. But right now we want to go look for where to eat. As you can see my eye, I'm ready to go to bed right now. If I should sit down, I will not eat tonight. So we're going out there to look for restaurant. Alright, I'll show you guys when I get there.
I want to call my brother. We should not eat. We should not eat. We can get food. I know something. B-U-R-G-E-R.
Yeah.
I know how to make that burger. I know how to spell burger.
So we drove to town because they don't have food in the lobby. Ignore the noise, guys. So they don't have food in the lobby, so we drove to town to look for food. Thank God these people are still open at about 11 p.m. So my food is here, guys. I think I ordered fojito. I'm sorry guys if I did not pronounce it well. However, I was too hungry and I wanted to order the whole food in the restaurant. So the mean order French fries, and I order fojito or beef fojito. So yeah, I'm getting it down. I'm very hungry. Look at the way I'm shaving everything on my mouth.